Come with me inside this $14 million listing.
Today I'm going to be taking you through a $13.9 million house right here on Hibiscus Island. From the outside, you can see that this house immediately speaks elegance. It's not just about the price tag, but also about the thoughtful design, the greenery, and that sense of privacy and peace. So stepping right inside, you're greeted by this vast living space with these 22-foot ceilings. The room feels airy and expansive. I can picture hanging out with friends here, throwing a party, and just enjoying the vibe. Now, over here on the right-hand side is going to be your kitchen, and it is a dream for anybody who enjoys cooking, or if you're like me, eating. You're gonna have Wolf and Miele appliances and really nice, tasteful cabinetry that goes with the whole vibe of the house. It's both functional and stylish. Just imagine the dinner parties or the Sunday brunches. You have a coffee nook right over here that's already set up. And speaking of dinner, if you fancy pairing your meals with the perfect wine, then you're gonna wanna check out this floor-to-ceiling wine cellar. This is not just a storage space. This is like its own little wine boutique. You have a beautiful bar with seating. This is really a statement piece, and you're gonna entertain a lot of your friends and family here. Now, every corner of this house has a story, whether it's a quiet reading nook or a space that's just perfect for your home office or den or theater. It's the small details that stand out. This house has a lot of opportunities for you to do whatever you want to it. Now, I've got to show you the master suite. I mean, this is more than just a bedroom. This takes up the whole wing of the right-hand side of the house. It is its own universe. Take a look at this bathroom. It's like having a luxury spa just steps away from your bed, and that tub is begging for a bubble bath. I like that they have the windows that have the privacy film so people can't look in during the day. This closet is absolutely incredible. You have double windows, so you have some natural light coming into the closet. Now, moving outside, this area might just become your favorite. So whether you are thinking of swimming in the pool or having lazy afternoons, lounging by the pool, or hosting some epic barbecues, this backyard has you covered. And it's not just that master suite that's impressive. Each of the bedrooms has its own character. They all have their own full-size bath. They're going to be spacious, bright, and with those high-end finishes that just elevate the entire living experience. On the left-hand side of the house, your second bedroom is going to give you a very nice terrace. You could almost convert this into a primary. It's a little bit smaller than the primary, but take a look at these awesome views that you see the water. You can see down to Nine Island. Location-wise, this is a top-notch location. You're 5 minutes away from the Miami Heat Arena, 5 minutes from South Beach, so you're really in the heart of it all. It's a quick trip even up to the design district. I hope that you enjoyed this sneak peek as much as I have, and if this house caught your eye and you're thinking about making it more than just a virtual visit, then drop me a comment down below or reach out to me. My contact information is in the show description, and I'll see you guys in the next video.